Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have my gorgeous mother with me. She is a sweetheart, and yeah, she's gorgeous inside and out. She literally is an angel, but I like to embarrass her because she hates attention. So my mom has gorgeous white hair, love her color. She gets tons of compliments on it. So mom's hair it's full back here, and we're gonna stack it right here kind of tight. So she has volume through here, and then just over her ears a little bit, around her face, and like down and around in the front. So we're gonna start back here. I'm gonna get the clippers. And what we'll do is just clean this up, bring it up a tiny bit, make this neckline nice and clean. Okay. All right, now I'm gonna just comb this hair out of the way, and I'm gonna take this bottom middle section and I'm gonna stack it so you can see that I'm on an angle, just so we can keep this tight on this bottom. It's so much easier for my mom to keep it in for the week when we have it shorter like this. So it's been a little bit long, hasn't it, Mom?
It has.
Yeah, so we're like, yep, short is easier to keep in for sure. Okay, so I'm just stacking this. That's what's nice too is, so every Wednesday, I do my mom's hair, just style it in the morning. And it's nice because for her to get up the next day, she just kind of pulls out the top and the back through this area a little bit, but she doesn't even really have to worry about this area back here. That's why it's nice. So if you guys can see this angle, you can start to see where it's tight and it's kind of going up a little bit. Okay, same here. Keeping this tight. Doing good, Mom?
Yes, absolutely. I'm excited.
Good, good, good. Yeah, nothing feels better than a haircut, right?
Absolutely.
Getting your hair done is amazing. Okay, so you can see that that is tight down here. Now I'm going to take this next section and I'm going to hold this out. You can see this guide point underneath, okay? So I'm going to bring this up, take off that little bit, go to the next section, take this off. And you can see I'm holding my finger straight up and down. Okay, awesome. Now we're going to come to this side. Same thing, I'm going to come from this guide point and come up. Little thing about my mom, well, a huge thing about my mom. She is a server. She loves to help people. Yeah, she makes a lot of people's day. So just embarrassing her a little bit more, but yeah, she literally such a good person. Okay, all right, now you can see that that is connected here, and now we're going to come and we're going to bring this and we're going to connect it to the top. So I am trimming this up here about 1/4 of an inch because we like a little length on her top just to make it a little fuller. but it's obviously too long right now. So we'd like to take it down a little bit. If it's too long, there's too much to put into place. To find a place, right, Mom?
Starts to roll and curl.
Yeah, it does. If it's just the right length, then we're good. Okay. All right, now we're gonna come on this side. Same thing. Come up here on the top. Bring that around. Same thing here. All right. As I'm cutting it, I'm thinking, oh, good. Now Mom doesn't. It's funny how I can see the cut and what it's gonna do. Makes me feel better. Kind of crazy that way. Okay, I'm gonna hold this up, come straight across. And I do have, she's not gonna like this either, but I have so many compliments. Your mom's beautiful, and she's I'm like, thank you. I know, she's so sweet. I always tease her about videotaping, so.
Yes,
I have
does.
Yep,
She
so see,
does.
I'm teasing her the whole time. That's what happens. Okay, now on the sides. They're way too, it's too much hair here right now. So I'm gonna hold this out, and you can see back here this layer. I'm gonna connect that and kind of come up. Take this length off. And just kind of round it into that top layer. Okay. And same thing on this side. No, we do like to have fun. We play games. We love to shop, don't we, Mom?
We love to shop.
My mom was a good teacher of shopping. Oopsie.
I get credit
Yeah,
for that.
you get credit for that. I don't know if Garrison likes it, but no. Okay, now we're gonna bring this over the ear a little bit. And I don't mean up over the ear, but I'm just gonna cut this around the ear a little bit. We do like this length, so I'm gonna leave that length. Okay, I'm just gonna take this behind the ear, a little bit of that length off. Okay, because I do like it to come over the top of her ear a tiny bit. So I just make sure that there's hair there. Okay, same thing. Take that up to that top layer so it's not too bulky on the sides. That's hard too, huh, Mom? When your sides get bulky, it gets, yeah. It's hard to make it look styled. Okay, we're gonna come down here. Okay, gonna come back by the ear a little bit. Take a little bit of that off. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is hold this out. You have to make sure sides are even. Yeah, I think so. Okay, now we're gonna do some texturizing. So I had a gal come from California to get her haircut yesterday, and she knew all about my videos. It was so cute, and about how because I'm like, yeah, my mom, you know, about not liking these shears, because you always used to think your hair was too thin. Anyway, and yeah, she knew all about that you did. So yeah, it was so cute, just from my, other videos. And she goes, yeah, I've done that before too. I always worried. But she found out too that texturizing was good. Okay, so mousse, I'm gonna put that throughout. Okay. Okay, and then the volume and lift spray. I love this. I can tell if I don't use that. Right, Mom? When I've started to dry Mom's hair before and I've forgotten to like spray it in, and I dry for just a second, I'm like, oh, I forgot that, because you can tell a huge difference. Okay, all right, now we're going to blow dry and round brush. So we're going to dry this back part down. You can see I'm moving my finger as well as the blow dryer. So the top, same thing. I'm just going back and forth with my fingers. And then what I'm going to do after I dry this, I'm going to bring my shears in and kind of take a little bit of that out. I just like to see it dry first before we do that. So, okay, now we're going to round brush. It's about 80% dry. So once it's 80% dry, then I come right here to, take the round brush it. And it's fun, once you round brush, you can really see that little stack back here. I love that. The same thing here, I just come over the ears, kind of push this forward. All right, we're getting there, Mom. If you have a hard time with the round brush, you might want to go on low. You have more control of the hair and the brush. So I'll just show you this on low. Okay, now I'm just going to come back through, make sure it's dry. Okay, then I'm going to come to the front. We are going to check out her bang area. Okay, yeah, it's about the right length. I am going to take just a little bit through here. There we go. Just to kind of piece that out. All right, now we will take the styling paste. Just take my finger, get a little bit, then rub it together real good. And this stuff really helps hold it in. We went on a little girls trip and my sister was like, oh, I thought you would have your paste. Because I always bring it, right? Because I can't do the style without paste. And I literally forgot my paste. So that whole weekend, we all had, it just didn't look the same. I mean, product is huge. So anyway, if you need something to help hold your hair up or piece it out, definitely would recommend that paste. But yeah, it was funny. Okay, it wasn't funny. No. It wasn't funny, but it was crazy because I'm like, oh my goodness, like that really, I knew it made a difference, but when we didn't have it, yeah.
We noticed.
We definitely noticed. Okay, now I'm gonna take the pin comb and back comb her hair. And if you don't have a pin comb, you can use like a rat tail comb, any comb that has teeth that are close together. And I can turn her so you guys can see what I'm doing. just holding her hair up tight here, coming in, down, and out. So not up and down, but kind of down like this. Then I always love to spray underneath the back comb. And then I like to put it back into its place. That's what I love about the pin comb. Putting it back into place, I feel like it's easier than just like a rat tail comb, unless it has the end, you know, that has the little spikes on it. That will help. Okay, then we're gonna do this side. Again, I hold up tight and then in, down, and out. Then we spray through there. You can see I'm just pulling that out. And I just piece these out right there in the front. Okay, now we're gonna come over here. Sorry, I've got hair on your nose, Mom. So you can see, like, in the back, I went down with back combing, you know, like 3 different sections. Then I go to the one side and then I come over to this other side. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is turn her to the mirror so I can actually really see what I'm doing.
There I am.
There you are, you're back. Yeah, that feels better. Not only does she feel better, I feel better. I'm always like, oh yeah, Mom, we need to get your hair cut. Kind of funny when that happens, like, or if you're like, you know, you're a mechanic or whatever, like your cars get done last. Fixed last, you know, kind of like the hair, like, oh yeah, my family needs their hair done too.
Looks beautiful, thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thanks for letting us videotape. Thanks for letting me embarrass you.
You did.
I mean, it's fun. It's fun.
Succeeded.
Woohoo! That's good. It's fun. Okay, I am going to turn her around one more time, just so you can see this back, how it's stacked right here, and how you have the fullness through that area. And it's cute around your ears, Mom. I like how it just comes down a little bit more. And anyway, so cute. Okay, thank you again. I love you tons. You guys have a phenomenal day. Hope you enjoyed the video and my sweet mom. And we will chat next time. See ya.